Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to take a second to thank all of my new subscribers. I'm so glad to have you here. I hope you stick around. As for my absence on my videos, last month my husband was in a horrible car accident, and then 3 days later his job fired him. So it has been a stressful month, and I have went back to work. So things around here aren't quite as normal as they were, but we're getting back on track. Just wanted to explain my absence and where I've been and what's been going on. But today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Ipsy box for July of 2019. Now, Ipsy Plus, I believe, is a $25 a month subscription box that you get 5 full-size products in every month. When you open the box, it says Glam Bag Plus. And just for a second, the puppies will be 6 weeks old next Sunday, so they are loud, growly, barky. You will hear them, and I do apologize, but they are right next door to my filming room. So with that being said, let's continue with our box. And the boxes back here are my videos that I have lined up to do. As you can tell, I am backed up. But that is what those are. Either way, this is Ipsy Glam Plus for July of 2019. When you open it, it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which I think is fabulous that they put that in there. And then inside is all of our products that we got this month, along with our card and the theme. So they do a theme every month. July 2019 is Dive In. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Hashtag Ipsy Dive In. So, we're just going to go by the opening of the card as to what I pull out. So the first thing in here is by Pixie by Petra. This is the Glow Mist. The value of this is $15. The tip is shake it up, mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. Now I do use this already. Pixie is a staple in my makeup routine, so it's always nice to have a backup, but I do use the Pixie Glow Mist, the Makeup Fixing Set, the Rose Glow Mist. I use the Pixie Retinol Tonic and the Glow Tonic, the Hydrating Milky Mist, and then a Collagen Plumping Mask, also by Pixie. I am very much a big supporter of Pixie. I do love their products, so having a backup glow mist is great. I very much will use it. But like I said, I do already have one that is open that is in full use right now. So, perfect to have a backup. The next thing in here is by Touch and Soul. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, and the value of this is $38. This says, tip, after applying your toners, serums, and other skincare products, massage a dime-sized amount into your skin and tap to help it absorb. Now, I do like the Touch and Soul line. We got the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer in our BoxyCharm at the beginning of this year. And then last month, we got the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence last month in our Boxy Luxe. So this is what that looks like outside of the packaging. It is a pretty container. I do like that. There are those puppies. We're going to open it. It does have the little cover seal, and that is what it looks like inside. It is a light pink color, and it smells amazing. So it says, looking for the most inventive skincare? Look to K-beauty brands like Touch and Soul. This lightweight cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. Chloe is also in here, so you will be hearing her, and I do apologize. Chloe, no. Dog family, it's great. Plus, it's safe and gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin, which is great. My daughter does have sensitive skin. Everything breaks her out, so it's nice when she can actually use some of these products that I get for her skin type. So it is very nice smelling. Alright, the next thing we have is by Huda Beauty. This is the Obsessions palette in mauve. The value of this is $27. The tip is using a fluffy brush, sweep the soft brown shade across your entire lid. Then use a crease brush to blend the dusty rose shade into your crease. Apply the lightest shade along your brow bone using a smudge or liner brush. Press any of the darker shades along your top and bottom lash line. Finish with a pop of any shimmer shade in the center of your eyelid to highlight. So this is my first Huda Beauty palette. It does come with a small mirror. One second, guys. My husband is teasing me with the cherry. We just went and got shakes from Sonic, so thank you. Okay. As I said, it does have a small mirror. And these are the shades inside of that palette. They really are pretty shades. And like I said, this is my first Huda Beauty palette. So I'm very much excited to use it and see what all the hoopla is about with her brand. And there's some of those shades, the matte shades. Give me a second to get that off, and I will show you a couple of these shimmers. There are those shimmers. That one just didn't really take, did it? Okay. Well, either way, there's the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in mauve. I do apologize for the cherry in my mouth. Okay. The next thing we have is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Brine. The value of this is $24. It says a single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Now, I've never tried anything by Thrive. I know that they are a good company. I like what they stand behind. And anything that can help your eyelashes grow. This is a very sturdy packaging. It is very heavy. But that is what the packaging looks like. It is very cute. And then when you open it, that is what that wand looks like. It is very bunched together. And of course it smells like mascara. I don't know why I do that, but I do that. Anyway, the value of this was $24. So I'm super excited to use that. I'm a little worried about the fibers, but I'm sure I'll let y'all know what I think about it when I do start using it. And then the last thing that's in here is by Wonder Beauty. I do like Wonder Beauty products, minus their palettes, I have come to find. But the other items in Wonder Beauty line I do like. This is the Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion Duo in Celestial. The value of this is $34. Excuse me. It says, this radiance boosting duo in both stick and liquid formulas make it easy to customize your glow. Both formulas are made with microfine pearl pigments to illuminate your complexion, and healthy ingredients like aloe leaf, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid to nourish, protect, hydrate, and refine your skin. The tip is to use the liquid formula, blend some onto your face before applying your makeup for an all-over glow, or mix a few drops in with your foundation or moisturizer. To use the stick formula, swipe the stick onto the high points of your face like your temples, brow bone, cheekbones, and the bridge of your nose. So, let's check this little thing out. So you unscrew it. It does have a safety seal. And then the lotion is in there. So it's just a liquid highlighter basically. Oh no. It is very pretty. It shears almost completely out, yet you can still see the sparkle. So that's nice. I will definitely be using that. It's not big and thick like most liquid highlighters. It does, like I said, shear out. Then you undo the top cap. It screws off. And straight hands. It goes on like so. And you can also blend it out too. So that's pretty neat. I don't have anything like this, so that's definitely pretty cool. Alright, so let's add up how much my box was worth for this month. We had the $15 Glow Mist. We had the $38 Touch and Soul Waterful Glow Cream. Then we had the Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette in Mauve, which retailed for $27. Then we had the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara for $24. And then last, we had the Wonder Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion Duo in Celestial that retailed for $34. So the total for my box this month was $138, and like I said, I paid $25 for it. So am I happy? I'm very much happy. Everything, or most of the items that I received are new products for me to actually try out, which is the best thing about these subscription boxes that I find. That is the reason that I like to personally get them, is to try things that I have not tried before. So in this box, the Pixie Glow Mist is the only thing that I have tried. The Huda Beauty, this is my first palette by her, so I'm very excited to use that. The Touch and Soul Waterful Glow Cream, my first time to use this, and I have liked these products that I have received in past boxes this year. Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension, never tried. Super excited to try this. And then the Wonder Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion, I have never used either. So 4 of the 5 products are new products for me to actually try out and use and give my full opinion on how I feel that they work. What the tea is on all of how it goes on and wears and the whole 9 yards. But like I said, that was our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July 2019. Let me know what you got in your box. I always like to hear what other people got if it's not the same thing as me. I also like to hear if you did get the same thing as me and how you're liking the products. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do so already. Come join the family. Hit that bell. hit all. You'll get all of my notifications for every video I put up. And as you can see, I do have lots and lots to finish recording. But our Ipsy Plus was the first box for July of 2019. So that is where we started. Now, if you have stayed to the end of this video and watched everything that I said, as you can see, we are well over 300 subscribers now. So I'm going to do a giveaway. I want you to leave a comment in this video on what makes you come back to my channel. What could I do to improve it? What am I doing wrong? What do you suggest that I try? I have said in the past I want to start doing reviews on my eyeshadow palettes, just for the simple fact that I have quite a few and some of them I haven't even touched. So in order to make me do so, I would like to do a review on them and how they wear. Also, if you are curious, on my eyes today, I am wearing the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette on my eyes. That is what that palette looks like. If you do not know, I love Jeffree Star's palettes. They are some of my favorite. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the Hank and Henry Petal Pusher on the outside with the Rosebud Dose of Colors ombre in the middle. I know that some people do like to know. And if I don't say it right here on the video, then I won't know what I was wearing. So I'm going to try to start doing that also. But like I said, we did miss the 200 subscriber mark. So the gift tote has got stuff in it and it is ready to be given away, and I would like to do so. Do comment down below like I said on this video, and then I will pick a random comment picker to pick the winner. So if you stay to the end of the video, you have a much greater chance of winning that giveaway. If you just commented without watching the video, actually put in the comments to please enter me. That way I know that you actually took the time to watch this video. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to end it there. Thank you for joining me for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2019. I greatly enjoyed showing you my products and can't wait to give my review on how they worked for me. So until next time, you stay beautiful and you have a great day. Bye.